I am Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Students of Nagpur-based Vishveshwaraya National Institute of Technology or VNIT have developed a robot named Sahayak. This robot will help healthcare workers in taking care of coronavirus patients without the need to come in frequent contact with them. The VNIT team converted a hospital trolley into an automated robot that can be wirelessly controlled. The robot can be used by the hospital staff to deliver medicines and food to the patients. The robot has a display screen, camera and speaker which can be used by the doctors and nurses to communicate with the patients. Further, the team is planning to develop a new version of the Sahayak robot which will have a floor cleaning mechanism and thermal camera to measure the body temperature of the patients. Currently, AIIMS Nagpur is testing this robot to serve coronavirus patients. Let's hear more on this from the experts.
Now this robot can be operated remotely through a distance of about more than 50 meters. That is one thing. And it can be a self-guided sort of thing. You have to give the location of that ward or that bed, and that robot will go to that place automatically, and then it can serve them a sort of food, it can serve them medicines also.
So AIIMS Nagpur came to us, like our director, Dr. Padole sir, and they approached us saying that they require a robot or a trolley or something like that, so that the nurses and doctors could deliver the medicines and food to the patients without getting in contact with them. Because the PPEs that those people use, they are very uncomfortable. That was their main concern, and also they are not 100% effective. So our director sir approached Sheetal Chiddarwar, our lab in charge. Ivy Labs is the robotics club, and she's the lab in charge of that club. So he approached her and asked her if he could do this. So in response, we third years and final years of this club responded positively and said, yes, we'll certainly work on that. And we started working, we made out a plan and everything. But then we faced a lot of difficulties in the lockdown period to get the components because it was everything was closed, as we all know. So we tried to keep it very simple and do with whatever we have. Next, I would say the main attractive feature is that it is very interactive. Like not only will it help us to deliver the foods and medicines to the patients, but also the doctors and nurses can interact with the patients one-on-one through a video call. So to ask if how the patients are feeling or whatever the questions are asked to be. So I would say the main feature is it's very much interactive.
Though often ignored, shoes can be a potential source of viral spread and transfer, especially in high viral loads spaces like COVID hospitals. Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, or INMAS, which is DRDO's Delhi-based laboratory, has now developed sanitizing mats to curb the spread of virus through this means. Particularly, INMAS scientists developed a hypochlorite gel which can be placed on PVC mat or artificial grass. As per the scientists, a person should stand on the mat for 20 seconds to disinfect the shoes. Once applied, the gel can be used by 15 persons within a span of 2 hours. After that, the mat needs to be washed in running water and gel needs to be reapplied to carry out further disinfection. On similar lines, the scientists have also prepared a sanitizing mat with a higher concentration of hypochlorite solution to disinfect tires. Apart from the hospitals, these mats with gel can be used in homes, offices and public spaces to keep viruses at bay. Masks, soaps and sanitizers are our weapons to evade viruses in this pandemic-ridden world. Most of the soaps, though effective in getting rid of microbes, are harsh on the skin. Therefore, frequently washing hands causes itching, dryness, cracking and redness in the hands. Working on this issue, CSIR's Palampur-based Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, or IHBT, has now come up with herbal soaps. Soaps available in the market are made up of chemicals like sodium rhodocyl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate, which is harsh on the skin. The scientists developed a herbal soap which contains natural ingredients such as extracts, juice, fractions, oils and nutrients such as amino acids, polyphenols, vitamins from medicinal plants, fruits and vegetables. The soap has been supplemented with natural fragrances such as lemon, rose, etc. and also has a moisturizing effect apart from cleansing and antimicrobial properties. The soap has been tested by the third party who confirmed the antimicrobial activity. Let's hear more about this soap from Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Director CSIR IHPT.
We have already launched this soap. There are two entrepreneurs who are manufacturing this, and they have already supplying to various shops. And also during this COVID-19 pandemic, uh, we supplied this soap to various uh, authorities so that they can give it to the people who are quarantined and for their use. You must be aware we need to wash hands very frequently, and if you have to wash your hands very frequently, then you need a soap which is free from all the chemicals, not only for your own skin but also for good of the environment. And for that purpose we made this herbal soap. Right now it is known as a natural soap, natural herbal soap, so all companies are giving it their own trade name.
That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.